Need a real person at Venmo? Here's how to get a human reply. Open the Venmo app and tap your profile or menu icon. Go to Settings Help or Get Help Contact Us. Choose Message Us or Chat, then start a new support conversation. Copy this. Unauthorized transaction $XX on date. Transaction ID, please help. Attach screenshots and receipt. Expect 24 to 48 hours for a reply. If urgent, call Venmo support. Use the number shown in app or on Venmo.com. Say, I need account assistance. Case ID, if available. Transfer me to a specialist, please. Email method. Use the contact email or web form listed in Help Center. Email body. Describe issue. Include transaction IDs, screenshots, and your phone number. If no response in 48 to 72 hours, reply, escalation requested, and include documentation. Start with in-app support first. It's fastest and connects you to humans sooner.